Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump in. First up is illustration. If you love drawing and creating art, this skill is perfect for you. Businesses and individuals are always looking for custom illustrations for books, websites, and marketing materials. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Procreate, which are great for creating digital art. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per illustration, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy, or reach out to authors and businesses that need custom artwork. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Next is e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online but don't know how to set up their stores. As an e-commerce expert, you'll help them launch their online businesses. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which are perfect for beginners. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and they're willing to pay for help finding them. As a lead generator, you'll research potential clients and provide businesses with valuable contact information. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io, which make it easy to find leads. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services, depending on the industry. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is product description writing. E-commerce businesses need compelling product descriptions to drive sales, and if you have a way with words, this skill is perfect for you. As a product description writer, you'll create persuasive content that highlights the benefits of products. Start by learning the basics of copywriting and SEO. Many clients pay $10 to $50 per description, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's products and target audience. You can find work on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or by reaching out to e-commerce businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Finally, let's talk about Google Ads management. Businesses rely on Google Ads to reach their target audience, and if you can manage these campaigns effectively, you'll be in high demand. As a Google Ads manager, you'll create and optimize campaigns to drive traffic and sales. Start by learning Google Ads Manager, which is the go-to tool for creating and managing campaigns. Many businesses pay $30 to $150 per hour for ad management services, depending on the size of the campaign. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need help with their online advertising. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose illustration, e-commerce store setup, lead generation, product description writing, or Google Ads management, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.